Oh, hello there. Thanks for joining us. Today, we are going to be making Zumma Borscht. Statistically speaking, the most popular soup in the entire world. Just kidding. In fact, unless your lineage takes you back to a fairly specific part of Eastern Europe, you've probably never even heard of it. So let me slow things down for you. Zumma Borscht is a traditional Russian Mennonite soup, getting its name from the Plattdeutsch word Zumma, meaning summer, and Borscht, meaning, you guessed it, borscht. Traditionally, it's served in the summer, but here at Faspa, we love it so much that we make it year-round. Zumma Borscht gets its distinct bitter sour flavor from vinegar, buttermilk, and zup, also known in English as sorrel. Now, sorrel can be a little tricky to procure in the winter months, so we use a secret stash that we have in our freezer and add some of the bitter green arugula, and it really lends itself well to the flavor profile. Funny you should mention flavor profile, because Zumma Borscht uses a deep-rich pork stock, smoky farmer sausage, and fresh cracked black pepper to really round things out, giving you a unique and very delicious soup that you just might find yourself craving a hot bowl of. But be careful, because your body can actually create a chemical dependency on Zumma Borscht. Just kidding. But it is my favorite soup, so let's go make it.